In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email marketing campaign in Klaviyo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's jump right into it. First things first, when you log into your Klaviyo account, navigate to the Campaigns tab. Here, you have two options to start building your new email campaign. You can either click on Create to define all the campaign details yourself, or choose Library to quickly launch a campaign using pre-built drafts that are tailored to your goals. Once you've made your selection, remember, you want to choose Email before clicking Continue. Now, let's set up your campaign. When you click Create Campaign, a sidebar will appear, allowing you to fill in the details. You'll need to come up with a campaign name. By default, it might auto-populate with the date, but feel free to change it to something memorable. Just remember that a campaign name is required. Then, select the type of campaign you're going for, whether it's email, SMS, or push, depending on what your account allows. You can also add optional tags to help you organize your campaigns more efficiently. Once you're satisfied with your selections, click Continue to move on to the recipient screen, or you can save your campaign as a draft to come back to later. Now, on the recipient screen, this is where you specify who will receive your campaign. A campaign must have at least one recipient. Otherwise, it will be automatically canceled. Here you can choose an existing list or segment to target. It's often best to send your campaigns primarily to engaged subscribers, those who have recently opened or clicked your emails. If you've been using Klaviyo for a while, you might already have good data to create this engaged segment. If you want to send to more than one list or segment, you can select which lists or segments to include or exclude. Just a heads up, you can send a single campaign to a maximum of 15 segments or lists. Pay attention to the expected recipient count, as this number helps ensure you're aware of duplicates and exclusions before you send. If there are certain groups you don't want to send to, you can easily set those parameters as well. Additionally, activating the Smart Sending feature can help manage how many emails recipients get from you at once. Next is creating the email content. This is where the fun begins. You can create a new template or select one from the template library. Don't forget to craft an engaging subject line and check the sender's name and email address carefully. You even have the option to set a reply to email, so responses go where you want. You'll then choose how to create your content. Use saved templates, browse the email library, send a text-only message, or switch to HTML if you're coding something from scratch. Once your content is ready, make any adjustments before clicking Next. Now we reach the final screen of the wizard, where you review, schedule, and send your campaign. Before you hit Send, take a moment to review everything in the sidebar. If all looks good, you can either schedule it for later or send it immediately. And there you have it. After scheduling, Klaviyo will determine who to include based on the exclusions you set. This can take a bit of time, especially if you're targeting a large audience. Finally, don't forget to review your results after your first few campaigns. This is critical for building healthy email deliverability. Klaviyo offers robust reporting tools to help you see how well your campaigns performed. That's it for today. Remember, email marketing is about building connections.